This is a story about the entire village at the University of Minnesota coming together. True Tissue is a natural product which would be without any artificial material, and it has the possibility of growing with the patient. With that comes the benefit of not having to have multiple surgeries.
For adults, that's really exciting because now you have the possibility of better vascular and valve implants in terms of the longevity of the material, because once it becomes recellularized and living, it can self-repair. And on the other hand, for kids that are born with heart defects, you have the potential of vessels and valves that can grow with them into adulthood. What we do in our lab, and now is being done by Vascudyne, is to take a donor skin cell and create tubes of a tissue in the laboratory. We can then take these tissue tubes and remove the cells with detergents, and now we have a tube of a material that's completely biological. And that's why it's called true technology, as in true to nature. We can then implant these tubes as replacement vessels or construct heart valves from these tubes for implantation. This is something that can be commercialized and clinically very important. Our TechCom office was indispensable at sort of all stages of getting from doing basic research to now this license to Vascudyne and clinical trials that are going on.
Dr. Tranquillo was recipient of several internal funds that were meant for translating that idea into a true commercial possibility. He de-risked and showed the world that this is an idea that could actually work. That ecosystem helped us take this idea from an incredibly early stage to a point where we had prototypes, large animal data, and ultimately finding a home for further development and commercialization of this idea.
The commercialization process for me has been mostly stimulating and exhilarating because it's an opportunity to take something that you do in the lab and have it impact society at large. I mean, that's tremendously exciting.